Halo, gue Nadif Basalama. Hari ini gue lagi bareng Brilio di Berisik. Yuk langsung aja kita dengerin single gue Wonder in Time. She put her lips a cigarette and she lay her head and start to rant about life and everything that doesn't make sense. It's almost 3, still she can't see the guy that waited home is never complaining. Then she asks, why don't you go, why don't you go? Why don't you go, why don't you go? He replied, I always want to, but the memories keep coming back. I wonder maybe in time you'll wanna be mine. I always want to, but the memories keep coming back. I wonder maybe in time you'll wanna be mine. Then she asks, why don't you go, why don't you go? Why don't you go, why don't you go? Why don't you go, why don't you go? Why don't you go? No. I've always wanted to, but memories keep coming back. I wonder maybe in time you'll wanna be mine. I always want to, but memories keep coming back. I wonder maybe in time you'll wanna be mine. I've always wanted to tell you that I'm still in love. No. EP Wonder in Time ini consist of 5 tracks, ada 5 lagu. Ada Do You Still Wanna Carry Me, ada To Be With Me, Eventually, terus ada Without Me, bracket Sarah, dan terakhir Wonder in Time yang terpilih jadi judul EP-nya. Kayaknya EP Wonder in Time ini nge-capture 5 tahun kehidupan gue, 5 tahun kebelakang ini gitu. Jadi EP-nya nge-capture tentang pengalaman ya lumayan personal untuk gue gitu selama 5 tahun kebelakang. Jadi memang sudah lagunya udah ada dari 2017 gitu. Terus lagu-lagu lainnya menyusul di 5 tahun berikutnya, dan selalu setiap tahun pasti ada satu lagu yang gue tulis untuk EP Wonder in Time ini. EP ini gue dibantu sama satu sahabat gue namanya Pasha Mahindra. Dia dia co-write di EP ini. Terus ada Raihan Nur sebagai produser dan Muhammad Kamga sebagai produser dan vocal director. Gitu, jadi gue di satu lagu dibantu produce sama Kamga dan 4 lagu yang lain dibantu sama Raihan Nur. EP Wonder in Time memakan waktu 7 bulan. Mulai dari November ke bulan Mei kemarin. Prosesnya mengalir aja sih, karena kemarin juga sempat ada varian Omicron COVID yang baru, jadi sempat terhambat juga karena bagi-bagi jadwalnya gue sama Raihan. Begitupun sama Kamga juga sama, tapi ya pada akhirnya semuanya sih berjalan lancar. Alhamdulillah. Justru lebih ke pengalaman kayak exciting aja gitu. Karena gue merasa gue bekerja sama orang-orang yang gue tahu punya kapabilitas di bidangnya mereka masing-masing gitu. Kayaknya untuk gue punya Kamga sebagai vocal director gue dengan segala macam pengalamannya Kamga, salah satu yang membantu proses pengerjaan EP ini gitu. Ya, gue sama tim di belakang lagi brainstorm sebetulnya kira-kira mau seperti apa. Semoga dalam waktu dekat 1-2 bulan ini semoga bisa terrealisasi punya music video. Kenapa kayak gitu? Karena gue merasa ada yang kurang. Maksudnya bukan perkara eventually itu jelek, tapi ada yang kurang dari guanya gitu. Kayaknya gue belum merasa 100% full di lagu Eventually itu. Sementara lyric wise gue tahu itu salah satu lagu yang paling sentimen untuk gue pribadi. Jadi gue memutuskan untuk rework aja lagu Eventually itu gitu. Iya, gue setuju sih. Iya, akan seru kalau misalnya sama orang yang tepat. Gue percaya orang yang tepat itu datangnya se-effortless itu gitu, se-genuine itu gitu. Tadi kita udah ngobrol-ngobrol soal Wonder in Time. Sekarang gue mau nyanyi lagu kedua gue, Eventually. I've been trying to get the honesty to you. I've been trying to let my ego all away. If not, what's so bad about it? If not, what's so bad about it? Can't stop thinking about the things that I did. How do I forgive myself from all this? Take me back to where we start loving, no. 'Cause I'm supposed to love you just the way you are, but then my heart starts to get so mad. I am falling to pieces. Can't stop thinking about the things I did. Oh, I'm supposed to love you just the way you are, but then my heart starts to get so mad. I am falling to pieces. Can't stop thinking about the things I did. My ego's busy telling me the things that I don't wanna hear. Oh baby, won't you come around? 'Cause I believe if things were clear between us, baby, can't you see? No, no. Eventually, drowning, trying not to sink, don't let me. 'Cause since you've been gone, I've been lonely. Now that you're gone, my love will goes on. 'Cause I'm supposed to love you just the way you are, but then my heart starts to get so mad. I'm falling. Thank you Sobat Brilio udah nonton. And don't forget to listen to my very first EP called Wonder in Time di semua digital streaming platforms favorit kalian. Sampai jumpa. Can't stop thinking about the things I did. No.